kidfunideas.com, and today I thought we would make this really cute paper plate skeleton. You can find this craft at Kidfunideas in the Autumn Craft section, and it comes with all the directions and the templates for cutting out your pattern pieces. To do this craft, you will need either a heavy-duty paper plate or some cardstock to cut out all your pieces. And you will need a hole punch and some of these metal paper fasteners that you can get at the office supply store, and some scissors. So gather up your stuff and I will meet you right back here and we'll get started. Okay, so once you download the pattern pieces and the directions, it's going to come with all the little pieces that you are going to cut out, and it'll show you where to punch holes with your hole punch. And then either you can trace them onto paper plates if you have paper plates, like this is the headpiece here, like that, and cut that out. Or if you don't have a bunch of paper plates, you can certainly use cardstock and then just cut out all your skeleton pieces and then cut those out. And then after that, it's just time to assemble. So once you have all your pieces, I like to lay mine out before I get started so that I have all the pieces laid kind of in order. And you can even, on the back of the pieces, label them while you're going so that you can remember, you know, which pieces are which. We're going to put collar on this one so we know that's the collarbone, and this is obviously the head bone. So the first thing I want to do is to draw a face on my skeleton. And I'm going to, you can use googly eyeballs, and the little hole punch is where the chin will be. So you're going to make sure that the hole punch stays where the chin is. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw some big old eyeballs. And then I'm going to draw some pupils inside there. And I'm going to draw a triangle nose. And then I'm going to do a little line here for my mouth. Make him a smiley mouth. And now I have my mouth. Okay, so his head's all done. So the first thing we're going to do is connect the head bone to the neck bone. So we're going to find the neck bone. And there are two holes in the neck bone. One is for the head to attach to, and the lower one is for the collarbone to attach to. So the metal paper fasteners come in different sizes, and I'm using the 1-inch size. And they just come in a big old box like that, and you just pull them out. And what happens is you put the metal paper fastener into where the chin would be, and then put that into where the top neck connects to the chin bone. So then we're going to go to the back and separate the metal paper fastener. See, you can separate it like that. And if it's a really long one, you can take that metal paper fastener and bend it over in half again and over in half again. Now he's connected to his neck, just like that. Next comes his collarbone, and his collarbone has 3 holes in it. This middle hole is the one that connects to the neck bone. So we're just going to put another paper fastener through that, and then put that through the lower hole of his neck. We can do that. Oops, it's kind of tricky. Good for fine motor skills. And we're going to separate that on the back. Here we go. Now we have the collarbone. So we have the head connected to the neck and the collarbone connected to the neck. And then next we're going to go with his arms. So the arms have one long arm for the upper arm and a lower, smaller arm. So the larger one goes on first. So again, right through one side. And then we're going to connect that to the collarbone over here at the shoulder. And these metal paper fasteners will make it so that his arms are bendable. So now we have one arm in, and now we're going to go with the lower arm through the bone, flip them over, separate it. We're just going to keep on going until he's completely connected. Then comes the hand. Put that hand in there. Over at his wrist. Now we have one arm. One whole arm, and they're very bendy. Okay, we're just going to repeat that for the other one. In through the arm bone to the shoulder. Put our fasteners, our lower arm going through there, like that. And last comes the hand. Now we have two arms on our skeleton. Ah, here we go. He's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, next we need a body. So this is his hips. And the top is where it will connect here to the bottom of the rib cage. So we're going to take our rib bone and connect it to, oops, I think we're going to go with this on top. This on top connects to this. And then we're going to connect our legs. Here we go, like that. And our legs are going to go, same as the arms. The upper leg is long and the lower leg is short. So we're going to connect the upper leg to the hip bone. So there we go. And the lower leg, where your shin is, connects to the bottom end of the thigh bone. And the last comes his foot. We don't worry about the toes, so I'm just going to go on there. Make sure you got your feet going the right way. All right, we have one more section to go. Upper leg goes here. There we go. And the lower leg's coming up. There we go. Now, if you want to hang your skeleton, you can get a little piece of string and attach it to the back of his head here, and then you can hang him up. You can even attach the string to a little straw and make him more like a puppet. Oop, I've got my foot going the wrong way. Make sure I get your feet going the right way. Otherwise, he'll have two left feet. Ba-dum-bum. All right. So now, if you were to put a little string at the back, then you can hang him, or you could put a little straw through your string, and then he'd be like a puppet, like that. All right. So let's see how he looks. Ooh, he's so cute and bendy. You can hang him on your door. Okay. All right, well, I hope you guys are able to make yourself your own paper plate skeleton. He sure is great for the season, and he's a lot of fun to hang on the wall. All right, I'll see you next week with another fun craft. Bye for now.